another video on Self Mastery Mentor. As you know, my name's KUDWA and this video is all about my 5-day water fast. So I'm going to be taking you guys through a little day-by-day vlog of my 5-day water fast, how I'm thinking, how I'm feeling, how my physical body is reacting to the fast, and some of my struggles with it, also the benefits of it. So before we jump in, I want to touch a little bit on why I'm doing a water fast. So I've actually been researching this a little bit from a couple of people I follow regularly on YouTube, not only health experts, but also manifestation experts, and how they use water to help manifest and change their lives. So one of the main reasons why I want to do this cleanse is because of, first of all, the toxins in the body, the toxins in your gut that stay there that you don't recognize. Also the free radicals. We have food in our body and parasites in our body that stay there for years that we don't even think about, that we don't realize. 80 to 90% of people have parasites in their body without realizing they do because of the food we eat, the chemicals on the food. And doing a 5-day fast will give me the ability to flush everything out, cleanse everything out, and get rid of any of those toxins that are sitting there harboring inside of my gut. Another reason I am doing the 5-day cleanse is because I want to enhance my psychic and intuitive abilities for my other channel, Lux Goddess, as well as my manifestation capabilities. So our bodies are pretty much all water. We are made up of water. Our planet is made up of water. So when you set an intention on the water that you're drinking and you consume it in that vibration, it actually helps you manifest much quicker. So there have been studies done about labeling water with certain words, certain feelings, and the makeup of the water will actually shift into the vibration of that emotion. It is wild, you guys. Alrighty, day 1 of my water fast. So let's just do a body check-in for day 1. We have the sides. Okay guys, it's middle of the day, day 1. It is 2:50 and I'm on my 4th bottle of water. I've got a meeting to go into and then gonna be fixing up some stuff at the house. But so far I'm feeling good. I obviously have a growling stomach, but other than that, I feel pretty good. Hey guys, okay, it is 11 o'clock at night on my first day of the water fast. So far I'm feeling pretty good. It was actually a lot simpler for the first day than I expected it to be. It kind of went by pretty fast, but I also had a very busy day. There were definitely points where I craved food, but I texted one of my friends, Michael, about it, and he's big into water fasting as well. And so he kind of helped me get through that little hump when it got a little bit complicated, I guess, or like when I craved food. So tonight I actually went out to dinner with one of my friends and we went to a brewery, and so I got 3 glasses of water and it just felt weird to be like sitting there chugging glasses of water while everyone else was able to like eat and drink and stuff. But so far so good. Day 1 has been pretty good. Hey guys, good morning. Day 2 of my liquid water fast. Obviously water's liquid, but my water fast. And I haven't really drank much this morning. I've just been really busy getting here to the new house. We're working on the renovations. So now I am actually going to be painting the walls and sanding all of the walls down before I paint. So I'm going to be doing a lot of like physical work. I definitely have been craving for my coffee this morning just because I'm a creature of habit and I miss my lattes and my macchiatos, of course. But here we are, day 2 strong. I am a success, love, money, abundance, happiness, and respect magnet. So that's what I actually have written on my water bottle. So every time I take a drink, I just imagine myself with those affirmations to help put me in alignment with things that I am trying to manifest. They do say that water takes form of whatever you label it. So if you are labeling it in a very positive, abundant light, it's going to bring that to you guys. So day 2, going strong. Okay, getting the walls repainted. This has been so exciting to no longer see these super bright colors, but it's now 2 o'clock, headed to get a couple things from the store, still pushing through with this water diet, water cleanse, but let's see here, we're on a whole new bottle. All right, it is 3:33 on the clock right now. Dylan just got some lunch. Show him your freaking lunch that I can't eat.
But I'm gonna wait till you get out of the car to go into Lowe's.
So I'm gonna go into Lowe's because I gotta pick stuff up for the new house. We just picked up some more stuff and he's gonna eat since I can't. And I'm out of water. Okay, this is day 3. Body check-in. Alrighty guys, it is day 3 of my water fast. And I will tell you, today I am feeling so tired and drained. More than I've felt this entire fast. Day 1 and day 2 went by very quickly, but yesterday I was at my new house renovating from 8 o'clock in the morning until 10 o'clock at night. So 14-hour day there, literally non-stop, busy, 14 hours. And I didn't sleep at all last night because the cats were going wild. I am literally exhausted. So today I'm gonna be taking a little bit of a lighter day. I do still have renovations going on at the house, so I will be going over there, but just gonna be kind of playing it a little bit easier on the physical exertion side, just because I haven't been able to eat. Sorry for the noise out there, you guys. There's people mowing the lawn next door. But so far, even though I'm having like a craving for hunger and feeling a little bit moody, to say the least, I overall feel really good. And I know by day 5, I'll be able to have that full cleanse. And I'm just really hoping I don't break that barrier before the 5 days. So Saturday is my last day for the water fast, Friday and Saturday. And then Sunday, I'll probably enjoy my first meal with like a good brunch or something like that. Hey guys, so it is 2 o'clock, lunchtime on day 3. I'm definitely feeling very hungry. I'm definitely feeling that craving, but I'm right now surrounded by a bunch of food restaurants. I had to go to the FedEx store to drop something off, and it's surrounded by some of my favorite restaurants that I usually go to for lunch. So I need to change my environment, but I have here another full glass of water, as well as here a sparkling water. So doing very well so far. Feeling a little bit irritable, to say the least, but that's just from a string of events that are going on. But other than irritability, I'm feeling a little bit tired, kind of lower on my energy, but that's natural with a water cleanse. Usually you sleep a lot during this period or during a water cleanse, but it is 95 degrees out, so that could also be a factor. But I'm doing okay, drinking a lot of water, and now headed to the chiropractor. Okay, day 4, body update. I'm really starting to thin out. All the bloatedness is going away. Hey guys, day 4. So today I'm actually feeling a lot better this morning than I was yesterday. Yesterday morning when I woke up, I was just really annoyed and bothered because the cats were going wild and I really just didn't sleep at all. I think I woke up like 10 times. But last night I actually got a lot better sleep, better quality sleep. So I'm feeling a lot better today. The only like annoying feeling that I have is just a little bit in my legs. So I'm gonna pound out some water early this morning, and then I've gotta go back to the house. Yesterday I did another 11 hours on the house. So between the last 2 days only is almost 25 hours of work. That's crazy. So today I'm gonna go get the moving truck, pick up my baseboards, get some of my stuff from my unit, and start putting it in the house. There's still a lot of work going on in the house, but I'm kind of doing everything one by one. But yeah, overall I'm feeling good. My body has thinned out, as I don't know if you guys can tell with that lighting, but the whole fast isn't about your body. It's not about losing weight. Some people have used water fasting to lose weight, but for me, it's more so about cleaning out your gut. It's about gut health, and it's also about law of attraction. Water fasts are very important for law of attraction because any of the toxins that are sitting in our gut that don't pass through us, unless we're doing cleanses, will actually disrupt our vibration by having all of the parasites and toxins in our body feeding off the energy supply that we have. So doing a water fast, as difficult as it is actually really good for raising your vibration and attracting your manifestations. So another thing that I've noticed and felt was how much it's helped me get in alignment with me at the core. I've really gotten rid of certain relationships, certain mentalities, certain belief systems that previously were keeping me stuck and weren't really helping me grow. And I've honestly had the strength during this period to release some of those people. And it's made me realize what's actually important in life, what I truly genuinely care for, because it's almost as if you go into this survival mode. And when you're in a survival mode, things that truly aren't relevant and aren't necessary to your growth fall away. So the same is true with people. The same is true with mentalities, and things that aren't serving you, they'll fall away when your body goes into survival mode. So it's actually very enlightening for you if you decide to do a water fast, enlightening for you to see which thought processes are holding you back, which belief systems are holding you back, and which people are holding you back. And that can actually be pretty difficult. It was for me, but I'd rather know and move on than not know. So, you know, I think a water fast is very important for all of you. If you want to try it, just make sure that you're fit to do it. Make sure you talk to your doctor. I am no doctor, but it's been really good for me, and I didn't think I would be making it all the way through the 5 days, but we're gonna go strong. Hey guys, day 4 of the fast. It is 1:30 and I am driving this big moving truck, this little U-Haul thing. And on day 4 of this fast, the 2 guys helping me move are getting food. I told them they have to go away from me because I didn't want to be around it. But I've already loaded and unloaded one entire storage unit full, put my belongings in the house, now getting another entire unit full. And I will tell you, it's been a lot of like physical labor that I've been doing over this fast. So I definitely wish I could eat right now, but I have the electrician coming after I move these items, and then 1 more day of the fast. But honestly, like, I'm not even craving food. I've just been keeping busy, and keeping busy is making such a difference. It's making this fast really easy, honestly.
Hello, I got something special for her because she said she wanted it. She was talking to somebody else. So I got her a sparkling water.
On my water fast, you guys, day 4. We're still here at the house. The electricians are here. So Dylan is my buddy keeping me company right now. We got a chair now to sit in, finally. Okay guys, good morning. It is day 5 of the water fast, and here is where I am at. Alrighty, you guys, I got it. My little coffee. I'm so pumped for this. This is from Foxtail, which is like the cutest little coffee shop here in Orlando, and I love coffee shops. So, cheers. Alrighty guys, it is the first day after my 5-day water fast, and I feel so good this morning. I went to brunch with some of my friends and my sister, and
It was so good. It was literally the most perfect meal I could have ever had. And I kind of eased into it the night before with an iced coffee and then a small amount of food. And then you kind of like ease yourself back into regular meals. So the post fast is very important, especially if you're doing a longer fast, which is 3 days or more. But overall, I feel really good. Honestly, I went to the beach today, relaxed with my sister, kind of just like had a good day overall, got some work done, and now I'm about to hang out and go out with my friends. But I honestly feel better than I've ever felt in probably months. Months, if not maybe even years. Like, I can't remember the last time I've actually like smiled just because I truly enjoyed my own life so much. Like, before I had so much stagnant energy, I felt kind of tired, I felt heavy, I wasn't making the best choices with my foods all the time, like always busy, always like stressed, and wasn't like, I don't know, just wasn't at my best. And all of that kind of going together was bringing me down, and it was a very tough rut to get out of. So doing the fast kind of helped me break out of that, just because it changed my entire energy dynamic in my body. It wasn't as mentally tough as I thought it was going to be. There were definitely a few times I had cravings, especially when I was around other people who were eating. But I did my best to try to make sure everybody stayed away from me, because I did not have the patience for it. But yeah, it really wasn't that hard. I just kept myself busy with the renovation project and everything. I kept myself very, very busy, and I think that's the most important thing if you're going to do a fast. But a fast has so many different benefits, not only for your mental and emotional clarity, but if you are spiritual, it really does develop your spiritual connection. I felt more in touch with myself, my intuition, and the inner part of me more than I ever have before during this period, and I feel like it just keeps getting heightened. For those of you that do believe in law of attraction, a water fast is actually known to help bring you into alignment with your manifestations, because when you're in that fasting period, things that are irrelevant to you or no longer serving you in your life actually kind of fall out during that period. And it's easy for you to not really care about it falling away, because it's no longer important to your survival. And it makes space and makes room for new things to come in. So it actually does level you up. I noticed a big change in my energy completely, a big change in how magnetic my energy is now than it was before. And it was very hard before for me to even like get myself to start feeling better, or like, you know, feeling the same as I did. And now it's like, I don't know, it's just night and day difference. I'm telling you, this fast is so good on so many levels. Not only that, but I'm happy with the way I look, the way I feel. I feel lighter, I think clearer. I, just feel happy and rejuvenated and excited for life again. Like it was everything that I needed. So if you guys want to do a water fast, I would seriously recommend it. My friend Michael actually is the one who, we kind of mentioned it. Hey. So he mentioned it. And we talked a little bit about it in the past, but then it just kind of came up on my browser. It was like 4:30 in the morning. I couldn't sleep. And I was watching all these videos on fasting and spirituality and stuff, and then decided the next day to do it, and here we are. And it's actually funny because it's the full moon in Aquarius, which is all about new beginnings and, just everything new, releasing old, and going into new and things that are more innovative, and technology, and I don't know, just young. And that's how I feel. I really have kind of that energy taken on. So yeah, overall it was cool, great. I definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10. Make sure you ask your doctor, because I'm not a doctor.